Today I will show you that how you can easily fix if Bluetooth is not showing in your laptop like this. In my case, I can turn Bluetooth on anytime. But if you have a laptop that comes with the Bluetooth feature, but still you don't have access to it and it's not showing right here, and you're not able to turn on Bluetooth or connect any of your device, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to click on this Windows option. Then click on this gear icon to head over to the settings of your laptop. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to click on a system. And now you'll have to click on Windows Update on the top. After you do that, you'll have to click right here. You'll be able to find an option of optional updates right here under check for updates. In my case, I have already done that. So in your case, you'll be able to find an option of optional updates. You'll have to click on them and you'll be able to find Bluetooth driver update option, Realtek by Realtek or Intel. It can be any one of them, and you'll have to click on them and then you'll have to restart your laptop and you'll be able to find this feature of Bluetooth. I was recently facing this problem and I have solved it by doing this method. So if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. If it really supports the channel, like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.